Wala pa, anak ko ay ano, hindi, tagal ako nabuntis. Ang anak ko ay 6 years old pa lang. One versus 10. Oh, tulog na yun. My son is, not, it's so very malikot. Side your hand. I'm sleepy guys, I need to sleep now. Because it's very, very, very. As you notice guys, I am chubby mom. Because the camera is really too big, so I look very, chubby. If I go far, I'm far. On the way ang puti naman ng Pilipino. Ang maputi talaga yung ano ko dyan. Hold on, hurry, I'm fine. Breastfeeding the other hub. I ask you guys, what you like most of the girl, long hair or short hair? Bisaya, oo. I think my second time on your channel. Ah, really? Thank you for coming on live, David Rodrigo. Thank you so much for visiting on my live. I always go live because this is money on views. So please watch out for my live because thank you for your support watching live. Even though my viewers now is okay because some of my members are not here because maybe they're busy with work. You're welcome, Omega. So you are David Rodrigo. Did I see you on my TikTok? I have also live on TikTok. Which city do you live in Philippines, by the way? I live in the Dapitan City, where in Mindanao. You find in Mindanao. Because Manila is in Luzon, and then Visayas, Cebu, and then our place, Dapitan City, is in Mindanao. Dapitan City, Region 9. The place where so many Visaya girl. This way, sunglasses. I know you have. No, I don't have any sunglasses here. Maybe tomorrow. Really to Manila. It's far. I have very Philippines beautiful lots of mountains and beaches and places. Yes, you're right. You have lots of beaches here, like Boracay, Palawan, and then Siargao. And then it's the chocolate hills in Bohol. If you have time to visit in the Philippines, you can go to Philippines Day. Then visit me here in Philippines and we go around the Philippines. Okay. Oh my god. I'm so sleepy. I need to go to sleep.